I've bought ADA at 25 cents, I've bought ADA at $1, I've bought ADA at $2, and I will definitely be buying more ADA at 60 cents. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Actually, this is the best time to buy ADA before the next bull run, and here is why. This is just gonna be my personal strategy and not financial advice. As always, do your own research before you buy. I have been following Cardano for around 4 or 5 years now, so I have conviction in it because I understand it and I believe in it. And I'm not gonna get into every little detail of Cardano in this video, but I'm gonna be sharing why I think it's a great opportunity to buy, especially if you are new to crypto or want to expand your portfolio to more than just stocks and index funds. ADA is currently at the 60 to 70 cent range, and I think this is a perfect buying opportunity. Personally, I am dollar cost averaging in, and what that means is I set aside a little bit of money to regularly buy Cardano, right? Like maybe once a week or once every other week, and slowly accumulating more ADA and expanding my position. In December of 2024, about 3 months ago, ADA hit around 124 to 128, depending on what platform you're looking at. And that alone is a 2x from where we're currently at, maybe a little under a 2x. Nothing has fundamentally changed with Cardano. People are just selling off because Bitcoin is selling off and because of just the markets. Markets go up, they go down. Nothing has fundamentally changed with Cardano. Another reason why I think ADA is undervalued is if you look at the last bull run, it hit $3, and that was about 3 years ago. And since then, Cardano has continued to build and continue to develop. You have amazing DeFi projects on Cardano, like Iagon and WMT, World Mobile Token. You have Book.io with their token stuff. There are so many projects building on Cardano, and Cardano has only gotten better, and it's only scaled more since the recent bull run. And we still haven't even seen ADA past $3 yet. So in my opinion, the next bull run, again, not financial advice, you could be looking at a $5 ADA, $7 ADA, and these honestly are more conservative price targets than other crypto influencers out there that talk about, a $10 ADA, $15 ADA. And while those are possible, I think this next bull run, a $5 ADA is completely reasonable and I think very possible. There's also some upcoming catalysts that I think will push ADA on the up. The first one is the Bitcoin halving in April. Typically after these kinds of events with Bitcoin, altcoins have a rise, they have a rally after significant moves like this. Another thing that's happening is Grayscale. The fact that Grayscale is increasing its position in Cardano is a extremely bullish sign. It shows that institutions and big money is interested in what Cardano is doing, in what Cardano is building. If you're interested in buying Cardano, do more research. Do more research than watching just this one video. There are so many videos on Cardano where you can learn more. You can learn how staking works. You can learn more about just the community as well. The Cardano community is so strong. It's one of my favorite communities that I've ever been a part of, and I've been a part of it for about 4 years, but I have long-term conviction in this project, so I'm going to be continuing to buy it. And again, if I'm going to be buying crypto and having that as a part of my portfolio, I'm going to be buying something like ADA as opposed to, these meme coins, these get-rich-quick, Ponzi scheme type of tokens, because there is so much of that out there. I would rather buy a project that I believe in and I know is secure, scalable, fast, reliable, trustworthy. My personal strategy is going to be dollar cost averaging in as opposed to just throwing a bunch of money in at once, because yes, ADA's at 60 cents right now. Could it go lower? Yes, it could go to 50 cents again. If it does go to 50 cents again, I'm gonna be increasing my dollar cost averaging at lower levels, right? I wanna accumulate as much ADA as possible right now at these levels. I personally think anything under $1 is a buy, so I am gonna be dollar cost averaging at these levels for sure. I've bought ADA at 25 cents, I've bought ADA at $1, I've bought ADA at $2, and I will definitely be buying more ADA at 60 cents. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Actually, the only cryptocurrency that I own is ADA, as well as other Cardano tokens, Cardano native tokens. I have IAG, which is Iagon. I have SNEK, which is a meme coin, but it's just different. If you know, you know. I also have Stuff, which is Book.io's token. Book.io is a great, awesome project. So yes, so all of my crypto portfolio is Cardano and Cardano native tokens. There is a reason for that. It's because I am a long-term believer in this project. To me, that is diversifying, but you know, diversifying is important. You know, you don't just want to have all your eggs in one basket. All my eggs are in the Cardano ecosystem because I just know it and I trust it. I totally would have Bitcoin too, but I just personally think the gains are going to be more significant. It's going to be easier for ADA to go from 60 cents to $6, which is a 10x, in my opinion, than Bitcoin going from $90,000 to $900,000. There's more potential for bigger gains with coins that have smaller market caps. Like all investments, there are risks. So don't over invest. Only put into, especially with crypto, because crypto is risky, it's volatile. It goes up really fast, it goes down really fast. And you need to be prepared for that. So only invest what you're willing to lose. You have to have a plan. ADA's price action typically is slower than like, you know, a riskier meme coin or, you know, just some of these projects where you see like go like, you know, 10x or 100x in a day. Like ADA isn't going to do that because it's more established. Yes, I think it could go up quite a bit, but just over a longer period of time. It's not going to be overnight. Patience in the crypto space is key. And I think it's Warren Buffett. Time in the market beats timing the market. That's why I'm dollar cost averaging in. I'd rather just, you know, slowly build my position as opposed to like, okay, this is the perfect time to buy. And then I'm just going to make one buy and then I'm going to sell it when it hits $1 million. Like, no, that's not how it works. You want to slowly build your position because crypto is a long game. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. Please like and subscribe if you found this valuable. And I'm going to be doing more deep dives into Cardano in the future. I plan on doing a deep dive into Iagon, a great project on Cardano, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.